Windy day. One day, the wind came to visit our town. It was a windy day. The trees danced and swayed, and the leaves twirled in the air like playful butterflies. I put on my jacket and went outside. The wind tousled my hair and made me feel like I could fly. I saw kites soaring high in the sky, doing flips and tricks with the help of the breeze. We had a picnic, and the wind played games with our napkins and papers. It was silly and fun. I giggled as the wind tickled my cheeks. At night, the wind whispered stories outside my window. It was like nature's bedtime lullaby. A windy day is full of surprises and laughter, making it a day to remember.